Reading IELTS Part 1. Why Finland schools are so successful. Let's read. As you're reading, think about what the main character is like. For many years, the school system in Finland has been very successful. In the PISA survey, which compare with the readings, math, and science knowledge of 15 years old around the world, Finland is not only the top European country but also competes with the ASEAN giants like Shanghai, Singapore, and South Korea. But what makes the educational system in small countries so strangely different from others in Western's world? First of all, the Finland government makes it possible for all children to attend preschool, which comes after kindergarten. Compulsory education begins at 7. Teachers work with their pupils in school as much as possible. They have little homework to do when they get home. When teachers are not with the pupil, they spend a lot of time in school working on the curriculum and new projects. They teach in teams if it helps them reach their goals. That is why dropout rates are dropout rates are low compared to other countries. In contrast to other nations in teaching in Finland is highly admired profession. Finland selects its teacher very carefully. Only talented students go to a university and receive a master degree in education. Finland only does its best to educate its youth. Schools in Finland are small, at least by international standards. More than in any country, teachers are ready to prepare children for life. In some cases, they know every pupil in their school and can adjust to them. Teachers try everything to success with their pupils. Most of the pupils most of the pupils get additional help in their elementary school, either by teachers themselves or through specialist trained educators. Most of Finland's schools get their money from the government. The people who are in charge of the education system, from teachers to administrators, are trained teachers, not politicians like in other countries. All Finnish children, whether they come from the city or a rural town, whether from a rich or poor family, have the same opportunities in education. Education experts claim that there is the very little difference between very good and the worst students. Two-thirds of Finnish pupils who finish compulsory education move on to higher education, the higher rate in European Union. Until the 1960s, Finland's school system had been influenced but largely by its neighbor, the Soviet Union. Most students left school after 6 years. Some went to a private school. Only the wealthy ones got a better education. In the middle of the 1960s, the Finnish government saw the need to change and modernize their education system if they want to be internationally competitive. Lawmakers made a simple decision: a single school for all 7 to 16 years old. They also put a focus on language learning. Students learn Swedish as their second and English as their third language. As part of Finland's success is also out the fact that its society is homogeneous. There are not so many differences between the wealthy and poor as in America or other Western countries or other weather or European countries. This is reflected in the classroom too. Teacher always try to show pupils the teacher always tries to show the pupils how to behave socially and care for others. They teach students taking responsibility is very important for their future career. The vocabularies strangely different, sangat berbeda. Compulsory education, pendidikan wajib, pupils in education, murid di sekolah, highlight, admire profession, profesi yang sangat dikagumi, a rural town, kota pedesaan, the wealthy ones, orang-orang yang kaya, lawmakers, anggota parlemen, behave socially, berperilaku sosial, papil murids. Reference, this is from Medium. You can access here. And actually, this is the part one. This is the first time I tried to speaking, and actually I try to speaking frequently and by daily routine. So maybe there is so many mistake from me. That is okay because I still want to improve my speaking, also my reading. That's all from this part. Thank you. See you next time.